Good morning. It's Friday. I took a few days off. Monday I was still finishing last vlog. Tuesday was a bit of a frustrating day at work, and then I took Wednesday off, but somehow managed to not get enough rest to even be remotely awake on Thursday. So here we are at Friday. It's a busy Friday. I have an event at work, so I'm gonna be busy pretty much all day working on that event and then catching up on my email and stuff because, like I said, it's been a week. And then this evening and through the long weekend, I have a lot of fun stuff planned, so stay tuned. Episode 5. Woo!
Is 2 minutes every time.
Yep. You're taking me on a mystery adventure and I don't get spoilers? Can you at least tell me roughly how long? You said an hour. Okay. Well, I guess we'll find out where we're going. So while on this bike ride, Pat took me along kind of a guided tour of this area downtown near the escarpment where supposedly there's a lost cave underneath the escarpment. I'm very intrigued. I plan to explore this further in the future. Okay, it's Friday, 6 p.m.-ish. I just finished a little bike ride with Pat. Maybe you saw some clips from that. And I'm going to tonight actually build a client keyboard. I run a custom keyboard business. I just got all the parts in for a client the other day, and I finally have some time. So I'm going to take you through the process of how I build a custom keyboard for my clients. This is the Fecker IK75 wireless mechanical keyboard kit. It features a 75% layout, gasket-mounted PCB, full RGB, and it's hot swappable. I'm just going to take it apart so I can make some small modifications. Those cables are annoying. Taking the keyboard apart so that I can swap the plate from aluminum to polycarbonate. This will give the board a more muted sound and reduce the pinging. You know when you press on a key and it goes ping ping? Here you can see me removing the stabilizers. These ones in particular are prelude stabilizers. Saves me some effort. This is the polycarbonate plate. It matches the outside of the case, so I think it makes for a nice look. I'm inserting some standoffs so that the new plate can be mounted to the PCB. Trimming the stabilizers a little and mounting them onto the new polycarbonate plate. Reassembling the plate assembly. Here I'm cutting some extra foam to size so that I can further dampen the sound of the keystrokes by inserting the foam in the bottom of the case. The board is back together now, and I'm loving the semi-transparent acrylic look all throughout. Now it's time to lube all the switches. I have a phone. That's all I need. So there was an extreme storm in Ottawa last night. I'm with Noah and Kim, and we're going out for brunch because we recorded the podcast yesterday. So now we're going out for brunch. We're going to pick Pat up. In Pat's backyard, there's a whole bunch of tree damage and cable damage.
Oh, shoot.
There's a
So-
fallen tree.
I want to see it. Monday morning. It's the end of the long weekend, and I think I'm gonna take today to just rest and hang out. So this is the end of the vlog, but I wanted to fill in a little bit of the story because it felt like a bit of a chaotic vlog, and you got to see Friday night and Sunday, but not Saturday. And now it's Monday, and Kim and Noah are still staying at my house. On Saturday, we normally record our podcast. Kim and Noah came over, usual time, around 2 o'clock. Noreen came over too. She was our guest this week. We went ahead and recorded the podcast as usual. Then there was a big, massive thunderstorm, and we were like, oh, okay, cool, thunderstorm, whatever. Turns out it was pretty big. There's more than 1,000 reports of damage, individual damage to the electric grid across the city, and most of the city is without power. So yeah, Kim and Noah slept over Saturday night, and then actually slept over last night as well because their place still doesn't have power. And I was like, well, you could stay here, so that's cool. We've just been all hanging out at my place, and I've been editing the vlog, and they've been playing poker and smoking weed and stuff. The vlog is over now though, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to do in the future on these vlogs. And thanks for watching.